Welcome to our channel. Today, to install Trello for lead tracking and pipeline management, start by opening your web browser. Navigate to the Trello website at www.trello.com. Click on the Sign Up button if you don't already have an account. You can sign up using your email address, Google account, or Microsoft account. Follow the prompts to create your account and set up your profile. Once you are logged in, you will be directed to your Trello dashboard. Click on the Create New Board button to start a new project. Name your board something related to lead tracking or pipeline management. Select a background color or image for better organization and visibility. Next, create lists to represent different stages of your lead pipeline. Common list titles include new leads, contacted, in progress, and converted. After setting up your lists, you can start adding cards for each lead. Click on the Add a Card option under the New Leads list. Enter details for your lead, such as name, contact information, and any relevant notes. Once you've created a card, click on it to open the detail view. Here, you can add checklists, due dates, attachments, and comments. Utilize labels to categorize your leads by source or priority. Drag and drop cards between lists as you progress through your pipeline stages. To collaborate with your team, invite members by clicking the Invite button on your board. Input their email addresses and assign roles as necessary. You can create automation by using Trello's Butler feature to streamline repetitive tasks. Set up your automation rules by clicking on the Butler button in the menu. Select triggers and actions that will help manage your lead pipeline efficiently. Make use of the calendar view by enabling the calendar power-up for better deadline management. Regularly review and update your board to keep your lead tracking current. Incorporate feedback from your team to optimize your setup and improve workflow. This completes your installation and setup of Trello for lead tracking and pipeline management. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.